Hey everyone, Shadokai here with FarJ,
Hey.
and welcome to our first Adventure Craft video with a modded survival. So,
Let's play.
let's
Ouch!
play. But first we're gonna do something here.
Wait.
We're going to mine
Okay.
and survive.
Just checking my item. It's empty.
So,
Wait.
in Adventure Craft we need to make some house and
Wait.
everything here.
Let's check how to make a
So we can
wood.
survive there. Recipes. You already know how to do that. Don't you know that?
I forgot how.
It's kinda laggy, you know. You open that. And now I'm open too. Wait. You just saw that.
Yeah.
Everything's lag right now. Can you look down? 8.3. Done. See? I'm lagging because of you.
Okay.
Try to break the tree. That's all yours. Okay. I'm sorry it's a lag.
I'm so
It's
lucky.
because of the FPS.
What is that?
See? It's the FPS. See?
Hey! Get this.
Okay.
Let's go.
I'm going to craft.
Where is this?
Going to get this. So let's follow me. We have to find a place where we live.
Let's check how to craft a diamond.
Diamond. Wait, we have to check here. Where will we live? Okay.
I
We need to
idea.
start by building some houses here.
Okay. Ouch.
Wow, why did you die?
I don't know.
How did you die? It's
Without.
weird. Right,
You know.
let's find here.
I
And we
fall
need to
out.
kill some.
They're so laggy.
I know.
What the? Why there's a ocelot? It's a
My graph
pig.
has no ocelot. Just follow.
Why there's a ocelot with a pig?
Don't know. Wait, it's moving, it's moving. Okay. Wait, it's lag.
Haha. Where are you anyway?
It's over there.
Oh, there you are. I see you there.
It's lag, really, I hate this.
Wait, look at my eye.
Okay. Say wait for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's
Start
not.
by placing. Oh man, I really hate this. What happened there? Oh yeah, I got. Okay. Now let's craft and make an house.
I got no wood.
So this will be a while. We need some woods to make this. So let's just make
It's
this.
just oak, okay?
Yes,
oak.
it's by oak.
What is called again? What I break? Oh, remember? It's oak. I cannot get that.
It's lag.
Yeah. No, it's so lag.
Supreme lag because of the FPS.
What is that?
First, everyone say that it's a first player shooter.
I don't know what is that.
We need that.
Okay, we planted closer to our house.
Okay.
Okay, where are we?
Can you hunt some sheep?
Okay, sheepy! I call sheep is a sheepy.
Okay.
Sheepy,
Where's
sheepy,
your-
sheepy. Ow! Sheepy!
I'll be placing. We need 6.
Oh, hi,
of them.
sheepy. Die, sheepy, die. Hey, come back. You're slow. Why can I get you? This is so weird.
So now you can craft there. Okay.
Okay.
Why are you so long to kill some sheep?
I got 3 now.
About me.
How?
Did you even get me? You're fine.
Now I got 6.
That's so fast.
Yeah. Once.
Okay,
Heck.
we need some woods. Do you have some woods?
Yep. I grabbed.
Okay, give me
Pizza.
that. Give me it.
Bim, 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 bim. Pizza.
Now make some beds.
Make. Okay.
Just make some beds and give me that. While you're doing that, I'm going to destroy here.
Some wood. Hey, where's that little tree anyway? What is it? It's so cute.
Move it.
It's so cute. I want to kiss it.
Okay. I need
I think I put it here.
Okay, good.
For we have more trees. Ouch!
For a while.
Hey, is
place
that a...
there.
What
Is that
the...
a fly squid?
Yeah.
You really saw that. Where's it? Where are you looking at? I see that over there, but there's no fly squid here. Ear lag. Where is it?
It's over... on-
No. Wood.
Look, maybe it's...
Where's the wood?
Ouch.
Told you, don't do that again. You know there's some monster here. And some big
Maybe
crab.
there's a hereby.
No. Pyramids of a fairy tale.
No.
Just give me my wood back.
Delicious.
Just come here, get me. Give me.
Chicken.
How to craft this recipe.
What is that? Bricks
Oh,
for
stone
bricks,
cutter.
but we need not a crafting table allowed.
Okay, where are you?
Come over
Give
here.
me some wood.
My wood is over there in my bed.
Where? Give me it. Where is it? Oh, I didn't see this.
I cannot.
So,
Okay.
our bed will be placed here.
I think
It's
I need
small
to
for
craft.
now, but we're gonna make it big. So let's place it here.
How to craft again carpet?
It's lag. Supreme lag.
Supreme.
Yes, it's an overload. Don't craft anything there yet, but you need to find me some wood. That's a mission.
Okay.
Don't craft. Give me some.
Cannot jump, you know.
I'm gonna shake my head.
If I guess so.
Just give me. Get some more oak wood there. Okay.
Bro.
We'll be gone for a while. So for now, I'm going to craft two. Wait, it's like again. I need 30 woods there.
Okay.
What else should we craft?
I need a wooden axe,
Okay.
but I don't remember how to craft a carpet.
Carpet. Let us see.
Hey, where's the wood? It's gone.
It's gone right. This is lag. FPS. It's an FPS drop.
Yeah.
Wait, let me see. Oops, it's on again.
Do it again.
Where is it?
Where's it? This.
Look at that pig. What happened to that pig?
Why is this ocelot? Maybe.
It's lag.
Oh yeah.
Where is it? Where is the one I can't find?
What the?
I need 30 of that, okay?
Okay. I get some wood again.
Yeah. Just come here again. It's going to be night.
Oh no.
Oh, you cannot go to sleep. Come on. There will be monsters. Come on. Forget about that. Just come here.
Okay.
Drop me in the woods. Drop me everything,
Oh
okay?
my god. We're still. Okay.
Hey,
just drop on the floor.
where did you drop it here? Good. You have a
I'm asleep.
4, 8,
I cannot go to
12,
sleep.
4,
Oh.
8, 12.
Close the door. Come on. There's
Here
no
it's
box.
lag.
Come on, get up. Well, we're finished. Let's go to sleep.
It's not yet done. Don't you know that?
Tomorrow, right? Tomorrow.
Okay.
Now finish that.
I'm still asleep.
What the?
There we go.
How long?
I will finish my...
What's your dream?
my
Hi, zombie,
personal
you're a
dream.
burger. Oh my god, why there's a creeper?
Kill that.
I got no sword.
Wait. I'm gonna make you.
Okay. I
Gonna
need
make
axe too. First I eat it. Delicious.
Ramen. Wait.
Sure.
Use your axe.
Oh, thanks.
Use your sword. Don't jump. Don't ever parkour.
Chicken.
Don't ever parkour. You're weak at parkour. Oh yeah, I forgot. Why didn't I use a crafting table?
Go, Paul. Come on.
How to make...
Yes! I rolled
You need to kill that,
creeper.
don't you know?
Yeah, but I cannot.
I need a gunpowder to make some TNT.
Oh. Why? Oh, I spider. Are you teaming up with a creeper?
So this will be...
Take a while.
This will be the
Ow!
end, guys. So, bye!
Bye!